Welcome, students. How are you today? I hope you're fine and in good health. This is our English class online. I'm your teacher, Teacher Glean. Last time we learned about what are you doing? Today, we will review a little bit. Let's learn these 7 action words. Read, write, cook, sing, dance, walk, run. Okay, again, please. Let's read together. Read, write, cook, sing, dance, walk, run. Okay, now let's read these words in action. Reading, reading, writing, writing, cooking, cooking, singing, singing, dancing, dancing, walking, walking, running, running. Okay, let's repeat. Reading, writing, cooking, singing, dancing, walking, running. Okay, now let's go to this question. I will give you an example and then we will learn to answer the question. What are you doing? Okay, look at the picture. Okay, the answer is I am reading. I am reading. Now, let's answer these questions. After this, you will answer alone. What are you doing? So you look at the picture, then your answer is I am writing. Number 2, what are you doing? Okay, look at the picture, then you answer I am cooking. Number 3, what are you doing? Look at the picture, then you say I am singing. Okay, now it's your turn to answer. You answer these questions. Number 1, what are you doing? Good. Okay, number 2, what are you doing? Very good. Okay, number 3, what are you doing? Excellent. Okay, let's have more. Number 4, what are you doing? So we will look at the picture, then we answer, I am dancing. Number 5, what are you doing? Look at the picture, then I am walking. Okay, number 6. What are you doing? Okay, again, look at the picture. Then the answer is, I am running. Okay, now it's your turn to answer this question. What are you doing? Okay, very good. Number 5, what are you doing? That's great. Number 6, what are you doing? Excellent. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for listening and watching this video. See you again. Bye.